Yes, when we go through in the last 8 months, me and Bull pick up, and we on the straight and narrow, try to do everything right. So if you know something, talk, you know.
It's just that I go through a bull file and him owe money and it don't pay off. So I just want to know nothing now go on.
Oh, yeah, man, me know about that. Him say, him did have a little talk with the man and everything, all right? And them have a little agreement, you know?
Me hear you. I'm not telling some about you or Bull. Remember saying they in a business with Ratcliffe Morgan. And them man they notorious.
Yeah, but Ratcliffe, they are prison.
That not stop him from run things. Him do it already and him can do it again. So keep your eye open.
I understand.
If me not learn nothing else from you, me learn that we have to keep a positive mindset and keep moving.
Ball, you want me ball now? Me nah ball. Me nah ball. Listen to me. Change the subject. Talk to me now. Tell me how your undercover work are going.
Well, me get an assignment the other day. And my role is a skettle. And you know me are the damn baby mother. So me have to walk like a skettle. Need them have to knock up so. And guess what me say? You soon look at dirty people when you have to go down tine.
Yeah, boy, we gotta collect some things now, and by next week we hit the road, yeah?
I like how that sound. I wish I could have go, you know.
Oh no? Go with him. Me not go down there. Me will get anything me contribute, but me is not going because me can't stand for separation.
You know, say mother just play tough, right? But her hard week.
But no, man.
Nobody worry about me, because me know when to tough.
Me hear you. But seriously, no. I want to get involved.
So your people them not organize nothing.
My boss, him down a west. And him send a message say, him going to tell when and how for chip in.
Yeah, man, it never too late. Cause all next year, whole heap of people are gonna still need help, yes?
So the whole we not have to run go down there this year. Go post up in front of the camera and show everybody say you feed people. Some of we can wait and go next year.
I understand. But when you see the things on social media, you feel helpless when you can't move.
I met that bad idea, Tony, and just the way you can do when you can do it.
But we need to understand, so this is not a sprint, and you see a good thing with upon. Slow, all right? Long term, long distance. So next year, as me say.
Yeah, man, that's a whole heap of people not understand, What the hurricane I do and deal with we, we now got the back on my feet till about 2 years or 3 years time. Hello? Where you say the thing them reach? Babe, the barrel there, Time for go, yes? Let's go.
Hello. Did you hear the boss call you?
So him feel say him and the boss sometime, but wait for yourself. I'm reaching a car. We sort out that. So all right, baby girl, here we will see you one day next week. All right?
Bye. Please, nobody make it be 6 months before me see you back.
No man, next week, I promise. All right? I want to, man. Can't wait.
Also the people.
Bye.
Alright, so